So we're asked to make a stem and leaf plot for this data. They've already got it partially set up where 8 is a stem, 9 is a stem. The way it works for a stem and leaf plot is like, let's take this number 87. A stem and leaf plot splits the tens in the ones place. So 8 is the stem and 7 is the frequency. 7 is the leaf, I should say. The frequency I'll explain in just a second. So let me say that again since I missed it. This is the stem and this is the leaf. So if you had a number like 107, since there's two numbers to the left of the ones place, we'd split it like this. So this would be the stem and this would be the leaf. We're putting 1 for the units over here. Okay, so let's see. Let's go with least to greatest just so we have a pattern so we don't miss anything. First stem is the 80s because 8 is the stem and that means we need something in the ones place here. I don't see anything here. There's a 7. And I don't see any other 80s. So there's just one leaf. So with the stem and leaf plot, if we had like, if 87 was a number, 88 was a number, 88 was a number, this is how you'd make your stem and leaf plot. 8 would be the stem, that's the tens place. And then you've got a 7 in the ones place, an 8 in the ones place, and an 8 in the ones place. But there's only one 80, so that's why we only have one leaf there. Let's do 90s next. And I'll show you the frequency in just a second. 90s, we got 94, but going least to greatest. So 90, we got a 0 for the leaf. That's the smallest, so I'm done with that. Do we have a 90? Another 90? We don't. So 91, we don't have a 91. 92, we do have a 92. So there's a 2 here. They want commas? No, they don't say to put commas. I think it's if you click it, it's a drop-down list. So I saw a 92 right here, and then there's another 92 right here. So we put another 2 to show that there's two 92s. And that's it. 93s. I don't see any 93s in our data set. 94. There's a 94. So this is getting kind of tiring, isn't it? To try to sort through this, which one comes next. So let's download the data. I clicked the Excel file. I'm going to hit this right here. I'm in Google Chrome to open it up in Excel. Let's pull it over here. I want to enable editing. And look, this is the same data. They just put it in a column format. So I'm going to copy this data. So I highlight it, Control C, or you could right click it. I'll even make a new sheet and Control V or paste it. There's our data, and so we can have Excel sort it from least to greatest. I think they've changed it, so you'd go to Data, Sort from A to Z. There we go. Now it's least to greatest. So look how much faster this is going to be. We got the 87, we got the 9092. There's two 94s. Then the 10, there's a 101, a 102, a 103, a 107. And then that's it. Now 110 is the next one. There's a 0 in the ones place there for 110. There's an 11. There's 1. We can even delete these as we go, so we don't double count them. Here's another 1 in the leaf position in the ones place. Here's another 1. Here's another 1. And then here's a 3. There's a lot in this stem. There's a 3. There's a 4. There's another 4, there's a 4, and there's a 7. So whatever drop down it is, it has all those numbers. That's what you'd want for this one. And then that's how you could go through the rest of them. So sorting it in Excel or Google Sheets is another one you could use. That's the quickest. Frequency means how many numbers are in this stem. There was just 1 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 in this one. There's 4 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 numbers in this one. So that's what goes in the frequency part. Okay? Alright, so that's how you do the stem and leaf plot.